It's time again for Roadside Service, this time Technical Edition. The Evil Antigates. Microsoft CIA. With accurate real-time data about crashes and hangs, Microsoft engineers can spot a problem before it becomes a widespread support issue, and also break into your computer and do whatever the hell they feel like. But even when users choose, for some reason, to not participate in any sort of customer improvement options and disable every kind of tracking, it's still tracking and uploading random crap. Collect data about your contacts, relationships, if you use Microsoft services to manage contacts, or to communicate or interact with other people or organizations. We collect content on your files, communications, when necessary to provide you with services you use. This includes content of your documents, photos, music, video, your uploads to Microsoft services such as OneDrive. It also includes the content of your communications sent or received during Microsoft services of any kind, such as the subject line and body of an email, text, or other content of instant messages, audio and video recording, video messages, audio recording, and transcript of a voice message you received or a text message you dictate. So you can block these websites with a host file. I'm going to horribly highlight them, and you'll get the idea of why I'm going to help you with this. Yes, it's all of that stuff. Now, slow, calm, considerate. It's just so simple. And then down here, here's all of the knowledge base files, aka hack-ins, Microsoft insists on making utterly highly important when really they're just to make sure you upgrade to Windows 10. Look at all those KBs. That's actually the command lines to use. And you also have to do SC, stop diag, DW, whatever the hell, push service, diag track, and and then you need to this one, and then you have to go HKLM with a hat, pulling a rabbit at it, and then you have to go to Win Directory and task scheduler it and look up all the task schedules like application experience, auto check, customer experience improvement program, couldn't possibly be bad, disk diagnostic, maintenance, media center, feedback, and SIUF, and Windows error reporting, and what the heck? Oh, and you don't want to alter any of these if you have a work computer. Do you know if it's a work computer? Active Directory, rights management services, and client. Work folders, workplace join, run the following. Services.msc, remote registry equals disable. Otherwise, it allows people to break into your registry and alter it. Here's all the directory structures above and below, and all the links belong. It's a wonderful feeling. Do you feel it with me? Okay, now let's try something completely different. Spybot SDAntiBeacon. I'd like to call it Bacon. You can download the portable version, and it has a bug in it where one of the files is renamed SDAntiBeacon, and it should be SDCutTheLine. Or you can just download the full version and install it, but then it runs on startup, and you don't want that. What does this look like? Well, let me show you what it looks like. I've enabled the options that are normally hidden, and it allows you to turn on and off customer experience, telemetry group policy, and telemetry hosts, as well as consumer experience improvement program scheduled tasks, and get them out of the way. Optional includes doing all of the blocking here like I did. Oops, there's one I didn't block. Bang. And then over here, here's the log that tells you what it just did. Leave that the way it is. And here's the, I like this. Why should I choose Spybot SDAntiBeacon? It's sincere. It gives you the information, and it's trying to help you because this is stupid. Why is Microsoft monitoring everything we do? And what gave them the idea that they could opt everybody in and then lie about it? Because they did. Anyway, this is Spybot SDAntiBeacon 1.5. You can download the full version or you can download the portable version. I'm strongly suggesting people use the portable version. It only has one defect. It has the wrong name for a file. If you use 1.4, it doesn't have that defect. And that does, in fact, keep your system from being part of the Borg. And if you hit immunize, it just does so. Also, the host file, well, that takes some editing. You have to add it in. You're going to have to learn how to do it to completely block their ability to even be visited by any of the subprograms on your computer. That means some websites that are running through Microsoft servers won't work. And maybe Bing will fail. And you can always undo it by just undoing it by double-clicking all of these things here and going into optional and just undo all of this. it actually puts everything back the way it was. But some of the string information I'm going to include in here are a little bit touchy and a little bit dangerous. If you do something, make sure you back it up, all I'm saying. Or just grab this one program. I found a couple of others I'll include links to, and they do about the same thing, but they don't work on everything. This works on Windows 7, 8, and Windows 10. And I think it'll even do something with Windows XP as well. It's designed to be a very generic system. I'll also include what it does below in the description, just like I did in the first part of this video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I wish everyone luck with that. And your mileage will vary, and I'm not guaranteeing anything.